In the quaint village of Cooktopia, 3 friends, Lilian, Brandon, and Ruby, loved hanging out in Grandma Tilly's magical kitchen. Her recipes weren't just delicious, they had a spark of enchantment that could make cookies dance, soups sing, and pancakes fly. But Grandma Tilly had a secret: each magical recipe also taught an important life skill. One sunny morning, the friends discovered a glowing cookbook on Grandma's counter titled, "Life Lessons in Every Bite." They flipped it open, and a note shimmered into view: complete these recipes to unlock the secrets of confidence, teamwork, and kindness. But beware, only those who follow directions and work together will succeed. Recipe 1: Confident Cookies. The first recipe challenged the kids to bake cookies that changed color based on how confident they were. Lilian, who often doubted herself, hesitated. But with encouragement from Brandon and Ruby, she measured, stirred, and baked with care. As she placed the cookies in the oven, they turned a brilliant gold. Grandma Tilly appeared, smiling. "See? Confidence is like these cookies, you just have to trust your efforts and let them shine." Recipe 2: Teamwork Pizza. The second challenge was to make a pizza that could only be perfect if everyone worked together. Brandon wanted to do everything himself. But the dough wouldn't rise until he let Lilian knead it and Ruby sprinkle the toppings. When the pizza was finally done, it floated into the air and spelled out, "Together is better." Recipe 3: Kindness Cupcakes. For their final recipe, they had to bake cupcakes for the grumpy old baker next door, Mr. Crust. Ruby suggested writing kind messages with frosting. The cupcakes glowed as they piped cheerful words like "smile" and "thank you." When they delivered the treats, Mr. Crust smiled for the first time in years, teaching the kids that kindness has its own magic. With all 3 recipes complete, the glowing cookbook revealed a golden key. Grandma Tilly laughed. "The real treasure isn't in the kitchen, it's in the life skills you've learned. Now go out and sprinkle some magic in the world." And so, Lilian, Brandon, and Ruby continued their adventures, sharing magical recipes and life lessons wherever they went. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye!